Hello everyone, back again. So I ran out of space on my phone. That's what happened. We didn't get too far, no accidents or anything like that, but probably got, for maybe about going 20 miles an hour on the way home, probably got about, I would say, maybe about 15 minutes or so, on these back roads here. Defrost on. This road's not as bad as my road that I live on, so I'll take this one and turn that off since we don't need that. So hopefully I don't spin out or anything, because not a lot of people drive on this one as well. You got to be careful. There's a winter wonderland out here. Sure is. Somebody's standing out there on the side. For some reason, I just see a lot of people walk around recently. It's really odd. I don't think he lives there, but oh lordy, I forgot about this. I can't hit the brakes. Forgot about this part. There's a little bit of drifting. It looks like a little bit of drifting snow. Maybe a little bit. Oh, jeez. I completely forgot about that part. Drove on here hundreds of times and forgot about that part. It wasn't bad. If there was to be someone else on there, yeah, it could be worse. Tractor. I can't get too far to the right. Usually you can see a lot in front of us, but you can't today. Alright, we're gonna go left. Alright, these are not been So these roads here have not been pre-treated. These are the county roads. The one we were on was a state road. This one here is, if you guys pay attention to the sign back there, this is a county road. So this has not been treated. And it looks like we got about an inch or two of snow on the road. So, yeah. County roads all the way. It's gonna be hard to get water droplets off the windshield. At least there's not much of any people out here. At least that's one good thing. But the bad thing about it is if you get stuck, highly doubt it will. But if you get stuck, no one comes like out here, you're in trouble. Of course you can call, but you may not get a whole lot of luck out of it. Usually off to the right you can see miles and miles, but nope, not today. Windshield wipers in a little bit bad shape. Slipping a little bit. Oh, we're slipping. Yeah, it doesn't take much acceleration to get this thing to spin your tires. It doesn't take much. see where the edge road is. The snow like this. Man, visibility is dropping a little bit more. We're almost to my house though. We're almost there. It ain't focused. It's a little more focused on the water droplets. I apologize. There is one bad spot though on this road. Be coming up. We're getting downhill. Be a little bit of dirt there, but gives you better traction. Alright, here's the hill right here. Go around a little bit of a long corner. Boy, visibility is dropping a little. Slightly on the brakes because I got turned right. So yeah, guys, I'm pretty much home. Hope you guys enjoyed this little thing here, me driving the snow. It's the first time. Not doing too bad. If you guys do like the video, hit the like button. Let me know if you guys want to see more of me doing this stuff here. Maybe next time when another storm kind of comes in, I might do this again. If you really do like my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notifications so you never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.